Welcome to our YouTube video on animal competition, where we delve into the intriguing world of animals competing for dominance, territories, resources, and survival. Animal competition is an intriguing phenomenon that shapes the natural world in profound ways. From the jungles to the oceans, and from the savannas to the treetops, animals engage in fierce battles for resources, mates, and territory. Understanding the intricacies of animal competition not only unveils the strategies employed by different species but also offers a window into the evolutionary forces that have shaped their survival tactics. In this video, we delve into the captivating realm of animal competition, shedding light on the various forms it takes, the outcomes it yields, and the profound implications it has for the individuals involved and the ecosystems they inhabit. Join us on this captivating journey as we unravel the secrets of animal competition, gaining a newfound appreciation for the astounding diversity and resilience of life on Earth. There are two types of competition in the animal kingdom: intraspecific and interspecific competition. Intraspecific competition refers to the fierce rivalry that occurs among individuals of the same species. Within a population, members compete for vital resources such as food, water, shelter, and mates. For instance, in a pride of lions, individuals compete for dominance and access to breeding opportunities. Several factors influence the intensity of intraspecific competition. Population density plays a significant role, as higher densities lead to increased competition for limited resources. Additionally, age, size, and sex can influence the hierarchy and access to resources within a species. Animals have evolved various strategies and adaptations to gain an advantage in intraspecific competitions. These include the development of physical weapons like antlers or horns, increased body size and strength, specialized vocalizations or displays to establish dominance, and territorial behaviors to defend vital resources. Additionally, some species employ intricate social structures or cooperative behaviors that enhance their competitive edge. Interspecific competition occurs when individuals of different species vie for shared resources within an ecosystem. For example, cheetahs and hyenas compete for prey on the African savanna, leading to intense competition for survival. The competitive exclusion principle states that two species with identical ecological requirements cannot coexist indefinitely in the same habitat. In such cases, one species eventually outcompetes and excludes the other. This principle highlights the intense nature of interspecific competition, as species strive to gain an advantage over one another. To avoid direct competition and achieve coexistence, species often evolve mechanisms of resource partitioning. This involves dividing the available resources, such as food or habitat, based on factors like size, feeding behaviors, or active hours. By exploiting different niches, species can minimize competition and share the ecosystem. Coexistence strategies may also involve adaptive behaviors like camouflage, mimicry, or altered foraging habits to reduce competition and increase survival chances. Understanding the distinct types of animal competition, from intraspecific battles within a species to the intense rivalries between different species, provides valuable insights into the mechanisms that drive competition, coexistence, and evolutionary dynamics. Intraspecific and interspecific competitions involve two forms of competition: direct and indirect competition. Physical confrontations and fights are common forms of direct competition among animals. This type of competition involves direct physical interactions, such as clashes between antlered deer or battles between dominant male elephants. These intense contests often determine access to mates, territory, or valuable resources. Animals utilize competitive displays and signals to establish dominance and intimidate rivals. These displays can involve posturing, vocalizations, or visual cues. For example, male birds may engage in elaborate courtship displays to attract females while simultaneously signaling their dominance to other males. Territorial disputes and aggression play a crucial role in direct competition. Many animals, such as wolves or birds, mark and defend specific areas against intruders. Aggressive behaviors like chasing, vocal threats, or physical attacks serve to establish dominance, defend resources, and ensure reproductive success. Indirect competition often arises from exploitative competition for shared resources. Animals competing indirectly exploit the same resources, such as food, water, or shelter. For instance, herbivores in a savanna ecosystem may compete for limited grazing areas, leading to resource scarcity and increased competition for survival. Interference competition involves direct interference with the competitor's access to resources. This can include behaviors like stealing, trespassing, or actively disrupting the activities of other individuals. For example, squirrels may bury or steal the acorns cached by other squirrels, reducing their competitors' chances of survival. Understanding the different forms of animal competition provides valuable insights into the complex strategies employed by animals to gain a competitive edge. Whether it's through physical confrontations, displays of dominance, territorial disputes, or indirect tactics like resource exploitation or interference, animals have evolved a wide array of behaviors and adaptations to increase their chances of survival and reproductive success. As for any competition, the outcomes involve winners and losers. In animal competition, the winner often reaps significant benefits. Victorious individuals gain access to vital resources such as food, mates, or territories, which enhance their chances of survival and reproductive success. Winning can also lead to increased social status, higher fitness, and improved overall well-being. However, winning is not without costs. It may require substantial energy expenditure, risk of injury, or exposure to predators. Additionally, winners may face ongoing challenges in defending their acquired resources against potential challengers. The consequences for losers in animal competition can be significant. Individuals who are unable to secure resources or win mating opportunities may face diminished access to vital necessities for survival. Losers often experience increased stress, reduced reproductive success, and lower social standing within their population. In some cases, losers may be forced to disperse, seek alternative habitats, or resort to alternative strategies to survive and reproduce. In the face of intense competition, animals may employ alternative strategies such as cooperation and alliances. Cooperative behaviors, such as group hunting in wolves or meerkats, enable individuals to work together to secure resources and increase their chances of survival. Forming alliances and engaging in cooperative behaviors can help individuals overcome the challenges posed by competitors, enhance their collective defense, and improve overall reproductive success. Submissive and avoidance behaviors are alternative strategies employed by animals to mitigate the risks associated with direct competition. Individuals may exhibit submissive postures, vocalizations, or behaviors to signal their surrender and avoid physical confrontations. Avoidance behaviors, such as seeking alternative foraging areas or adjusting active hours to minimize encounters with competitors, can also reduce the intensity of competition and the likelihood of detrimental outcomes. Understanding the outcomes of animal competition provides insights into the complex dynamics that shape individual success and population dynamics. While winners enjoy benefits and opportunities, losers face challenges and potential setbacks. However, alternative strategies like cooperation, alliances, submission, and avoidance behaviors offer individuals the ability to navigate competition and increase their chances of survival and reproductive success. To better understand animal competition, let's have a look at some examples. Predation serves as a prime example of animal competition, showcasing the intense rivalry between predators and their prey. Predators, such as lions stalking their prey in the African savanna or wolves chasing down deer in the forests, rely on their hunting skills and adaptations to secure food resources. Prey, on the other hand, have evolved various defensive strategies such as camouflage, speed, or defensive mechanisms like toxins or spines to evade capture. This dynamic interaction between predators and prey represents a perpetual battle for survival, where each side continually evolves to outwit and outmaneuver the other. Another example is mating and reproductive competition that drive fierce rivalries within species. From elaborate courtship displays to aggressive mating battles, animals engage in intense competition to secure mating opportunities and reproductive success. Male animals often exhibit impressive displays of strength, beauty, or vocal prowess to attract mates and establish dominance over rival males. Female animals, on the other hand, may engage in selective mate choice, evaluating the fitness and quality of potential partners. This competition for mates and reproductive success drives the evolution of extravagant traits, complex behaviors, and intricate social dynamics within animal populations. Food and foraging competition are also pervasive forms of competition in the animal kingdom. Whether it's a group of chimpanzees foraging for fruits in the rainforest or birds vying for access to a plentiful feeding ground, animals constantly compete for limited food resources. This competition can lead to adaptations such as specialized feeding mechanisms, foraging strategies, or territorial behaviors to maximize resource acquisition. Animals may also exhibit aggression or employ cooperative behaviors to gain an advantage in securing sustenance. Food and foraging competition shape the distribution, behavior, and survival strategies of animals across ecosystems. Understanding these examples of animal competition reveals the intricate nature of the struggle for survival and reproductive success. Animal competition plays a crucial role in the process of natural selection, driving the evolution of species over time. Natural selection favors individuals with traits and behaviors that enhance their survival and reproductive success in competitive environments. Through competition, individuals with advantageous traits, such as superior strength, speed, intelligence, or adaptive behaviors, have a higher likelihood of acquiring resources, mates, and territories. Over generations, these advantageous traits become more prevalent in the population, leading to the evolution of species that are better equipped to compete in their respective ecological niches. As a result, animal competition acts as a powerful force shaping the genetic composition and adaptive fitness of species. The intense pressures of animal competition have driven the evolution of diverse competitive traits and behaviors. For example, the development of elaborate displays, such as the vibrant plumage of male birds, has evolved through sexual selection, increasing their chances of attracting mates. The evolution of physical weapons, like antlers in deer or claws in predators, enables individuals to gain a competitive advantage in battles for resources or mating opportunities. Furthermore, behaviors like territoriality, cooperative hunting, or mimicry have also evolved as strategies to outcompete rivals and secure vital resources. The evolutionary implications of animal competition extend beyond individual species to shape entire ecosystems. Competitive interactions between species drive adaptations that allow them to coexist and exploit available resources more efficiently, resulting in resource partitioning and niche differentiation. These evolutionary responses ensure the overall stability and biodiversity of ecosystems by minimizing direct competition and promoting the diversification of species. In summary, animal competition is a fundamental aspect of the natural world, driving the evolution, adaptation, and survival strategies of species. Whether it is intraspecific rivalry or interspecific interactions, competition shapes the distribution of resources, the dynamics of populations, and the stability of ecosystems. Understanding the diverse forms, outcomes, and evolutionary implications of animal competition provides valuable insights into the remarkable strategies employed by animals to thrive in competitive environments. By studying and appreciating animal competition, we deepen our understanding of the intricate web of life and the delicate balance that sustains biodiversity on our planet.